Today we are comparing two AI image generation tools, Image 2 versus Nano Banana. Both are used to create images from text prompts, but they differ in quality, speed, control, and overall usability. So the real question is simple. Which one is actually better for image generation in 2026? Let's break it down in a clear and practical way. What they are. First, a quick overview. Image 2 is a newer generation AI image model focused on high quality realism, better prompt understanding, more detailed outputs. It is designed for users who want professional looking images with fewer retries, and it is actually from ChatGPT. Nano Banana. Nano Banana, on the other hand, is a lightweight AI image generator known for fast generation speed, simple interface, easy use for beginners, lower system requirements. It's more about convenience than advanced creative control. So right away, we can see the difference. Image 2, quality and detail. Nano Banana, speed and simplicity. But let's go deeper. Image quality. This is the most important category. Image 2 generally produces more realistic lighting, produces better textures and sharpness, more accurate anatomy and characters, cleaner composition overall. It handles complex prompts better, especially when you include multiple objects or styles. Example, if you ask for a cinematic cyberpunk street with neon lights and rain reflections, Image 2 will usually produce a more detailed and visually balanced result. Nano Banana, however, produces simpler images, sometimes lacks fine detail, can struggle with complex scenes, but it is still does a decent job for basic prompts like a cute cat in a garden, minimalist logo design, simple illustrations. Verdict for quality. Image 2 wins clearly in realism and detail, speed and performance. Now let's talk about speed. Nano Banana is very fast. In many cases, it generates images almost instantly or within a few seconds. That makes it useful for quick ideas, draft visuals, brainstorming concepts, etc. Image 2 is slower, it takes more time because it processes more detail and refinement. That means better output but longer wait time. Not ideal if you need rapid iteration. Verdict for speed, Nano Banana wins easily here. Ease of use. Now let's look at usability. Nano Banana, very simple interface, minimal settings, beginner friendly, no learning curve. You just type and generate. Image 2, more advanced options, better prompt controls, sometimes requires more precise prompting, slight learning curve for best results. So if you are a beginner, Nano Banana feels easier. If you want control, Image 2 is stronger. Verdict for ease of use. Nano Banana wins for beginners, Image 2 wins for advanced users. Creative control. This is where serious users care the most. Image 2 allows more accurate prompt interpretation, better style control, cinematic, anime, realistic, etc., stronger consistency across multiple images, better handling of complex instructions. It's better if you are doing content creation, YouTube thumbnails, concept art, marketing visuals, and so on. Nano Banana, limited control over the fine details, sometimes ignores parts of prompts, less consistent across multiple generations. It's fine for casual use, but not ideal for precision work. Verdict for creative control, Image 2 wins by a large margin. Use cases. Let's simplify it. Use Nano Banana if you want fast images, if you want simple concepts, if you are searching for casual experimentation, and if you want no technical setup. Use Image 2 if you want high quality visuals, if you want professional work, if you are looking for YouTube thumbnails or branding, and if you need detailed or complex prompts. Think of it like this. Nano Banana equal quick sketch tool. Image 2 equal professional design tool. Final verdict and conclusion. So which one is better? It's a question. And here's the honest answer. If your priority is speed and simplicity, go with Nano Banana. If your priority is quality and control, go with Image 2. But overall, Image 2 is the better AI image generator in terms of output, quality, and capability. Nano Banana still has value, but mainly as a quick and lightweight tool. So that is the full comparison between Image 2 versus Nano Banana. One focuses on speed and simplicity, and other focuses on quality and control. If you found this video helpful and useful, please support us with like, subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell icon in order to not miss anything. Share this video to your friend and tell me down below in the comments which option will you go for and why, and how was your experience with each one of them. Thank you for watching and see you in a new comparison video.